Unsay tan-aw nimo? 10 years from now, kita pa ka ha?
Naalangan. 10 years from now, 35 years old. Ingurani na siya, natay sariling balay, kasal na ta, CEO ka sa isa ka kumpanya, samtang ako, imuha lang empleyado.
Tas dili ang taga-sweldohan ha?
Resign na lang ko, ma'am.
I'm sorry, Miss Sanchez, but Mr. Archer Villanueva told me to keep this from you. Mr. Villanueva has an nasopharyngeal cancer and he had a very little time to live.
How are you there, Arch? It's been 10 years already. CEO na ko. Asan na ka?
May mga tao na alis at mananatili.
Your business partners are here, ma'am. Eunice Sanchez, and you?
Hi, I'm Archer Lorey Vargas. Archer Lorey Vargas.
Arch? Did you come back, Arch? Your hand, your voice, your smile. Ikaw ni.
Minsan
Kablo ko,
ang
ikaw ni.
buhay
I know it's you.
Makulay, mayroong saya.
I love you. Nabuang na ka? Come on yun! Move on!
Dala,
Kabalo ko na siya. Archer is here.
parang hangin nadarama.
Anong isip kayo para sa madawato? Archer is not coming back. Archer will never come back. Kabalo ka? Walang ka sa tarong ni mong panghuna-huna iyon. 10 years na. 10 years nang wala si Archer.
Ako'y nagtataka.
So Mauni, this is the Archer that you love. This is the Archer that you've been longing for, right? Not me, because you see that Archer on me.
I love you, Arch.
When will you love me without seeing someone in me?
Iwanan ko